Please welcome him with a big round of applause.
Thank you. Pleasure and honor to be here. Thank you, Mr. Swaminathan and Lakshmi ma'am, for giving me this honor and opportunity to address this most awesome audience, State Bank of India. What an amazing organization this is. I was reading about SBI on Google. 1806 or something as Bank of Kolkata, and now 43rd largest bank in the world, 5th largest employer also. So give yourself a huge round of applause, please. Big one. So I believe you've been having this session since morning, 9 a.m. or 10? 9:30. I'm an edu trainer. I educate and entertain. So you want both or you want only one? Both, right? So we're going to have a lot of fun and a lot of energy. So clapping is very healthy. It touches your 39 acupressure. वो पास में देखा ना लोग ताली बजाते हैं. कभी सोचा है क्यों बजाते हैं? सबको मालूम है? Everybody knows? It touches your 39 acupressure point. Make you very very healthy. मैंने गूगल पे पढ़ा कि अगर 1000 ताली रोज बजाएंगे तो चश्मा भी उतर जाता है. बहुत सारी बीमारियां ठीक हो जाती हैं. नंबर 2, it motivates the speaker, brings energy to the room, and last thing, anybody sad cannot clap. Yes, so huge one, big one. And we're going to be very very healthy today and happy today. यहाँ पे सब लोग सिंधी होते हैं. कोई गया उल्लासनगर? आप लोग महाराष्ट्र में गए? और सब कोई सिंधी बोलता है. रेफ्यूजी कैंप बैरक होते थे आर्मी के. माय पेरेंट्स मूव फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान व्हेन पार्टीशन हैपेंड. तो 120 स्क्वायर फीट बैरक, कोई टॉयलेट नहीं होता था. वो 500 मीटर डर्टी डिंजी अनहाइजीनिक टॉयलेट्स होते थे उन दिनों. आज हमारे घर में हर रूम में अटैच बाथरूम है और गैस के लिए अलग पाउडर रूम होता है. We take things for granted, पर उन दिनों में मुझे याद है मेरे डैड के पास उल्लासनगर से कोई चिट्ठी आती थी तो मम्मी वो हमारे रिश्तेदार ने घर में टॉयलेट बनाया. That was the big news. So from there my schooling was mostly tented school. I was very complex of English. बहुत डर लगता था कोई सामने में. और एक क्लास में तो मैं फेल भी हुआ. तो my dad had influenced there. जनरल सेक्रेटरी थे सिंधी एसोसिएशन के. तो आई स्टिल हैव दैट रिपोर्ट कार्ड जिसमें उन दिनों वो व्हाइटनर वगैरह नहीं होते थे तो रबड़ से मिटा के लिखा गया प्रमोटेड. एंड माय टीचर टोल्ड मी यू आर द वर्स्ट स्टूडेंट आई हैव एवर इन माय क्लास. वर्स्ट स्टूडेंट बोलते थे बुद्धू है एकदम. तो वो चीज यहाँ पर चुप गई. क्या लाइफ में योर बिगेस्ट लर्निंग कम्स रैप्ड इन द सैंड पेपर. और 1 मार्क का कागज होता है. तो वो लग गई. मैंने कहा यार जिंदगी में इतनी मेहनत करूंगा. So I written like 5 books and books are available on Amazon. आज टीचर वो शायद होंगी नहीं होंगी, उस टाइम ही 50 की थी. And I was like 10 year old. और उनको किताबें मैं गिफ्ट जरूर देता. Amazon पे available है. But this is me celebrating 43rd anniversary of my 20th birthday. तो कैलकुलेशन करेंगे आप लोग तो मैथ्स में बहुत अच्छे होंगे बैंक में. So I'm 63 year old and I'm zero dependence on any kind of medicine. उसका भी आपको राज बता दूं. बहुत सारी चीजें आज मिलेंगी आपको. I wear awesomeness glasses. ये कुछ अजीब नहीं लग रहे ग्लासेस, कुछ अलग से लग रहे हैं. These are awesomeness glasses. So when you are wearing blue color glasses, how the world going to look blue, right? Green means green. So if you are wearing awesomeness glasses, how the world going to look to you? Awesome. This is the first learning from today's session. Start wearing awesomeness glasses. You will attract awesome opportunities in life, awesome relationships, friends. जिंदगी पूरी एक जबरदस्त awesome है कि आज मैंने आप जैसे awesome लोगों को अट्रैक्ट किया लाइफ. Yesterday was our 38th wedding anniversary. मुझे फोन आया मिस्टर गौरीश का. मैं कहा हम तो कहीं बाहर रिजॉर्ट पे जा रहे थे. तो बोला जोधपुर है. मैंने कहा चलेगा, वाइफ ने नहीं देखा है. So Big round of applause for my wife here. So we are awesomeness class, right? थोड़ा सा ऐसे करते हैं. करिए कि मैं awesomeness classes. Imagine, visualize you are wearing awesomeness glasses. Everybody, do this action. I'm wearing awesomeness glasses. Do that. Because last March, entire world is suffering with the same problem. पहली बार अपने लाइफ में देखा 63 ईयर में हर किसी को एक ही प्रॉब्लम है, कोविड. पहले कभी नहीं ऐसा हुआ. But everybody's got different meaning for it. Some businesses got destroyed. किसी का घर में बीवी से झगड़ा हो रहा है कि इतना करीब भी अच्छा नहीं है. किसी का बीवी से प्यार पड़ रहा है, क्या वो बहुत करीब हो रहे हैं. कितने लोगों का बीवी से प्यार पड़ा है? देखो, ये हाथ नहीं उठ रहा कोई. So बहुत लोगों ने सेहत बनाई. I lost 20 kilo last year. I'll show you. I reversed my diabetes also. Type 2 diabetes थी. ये 90 days में खत्म किया. मैं आपको उसका भी फार्मूला देके जाऊंगा. बहुत लोगों ने बिजनेस पिवट किया. Online business did very well. IT business did very well. My business team, I used to do programs in the hotels like this, and I had given a lot of advance to the hotels. But the pandemic happened. I learned Zoom and started doing my all programs on Zoom, and over 5,000 students all over the world, India got trained by me on Zoom. We started Mumbai chapter of Tajurba on Zoom. All the agreements were signed by. It's a case study in itself. You start a full-fledged business in Mumbai, sitting in your home, without meeting anyone. We paid everything to the bank and the creditors, and we started. But how many of you agree that bounce back is always stronger than first year? Because now you are not starting from scratch, you are starting from experience. You are starting from wisdom. क्या लाइफ को कुछ ना कुछ नया कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर अभी इतना तजुर्बा हो गया, तो वो सिखाना भी तो वो गिफ्ट्स इतनी हो गई, सक्सेस फेलियर. These are your gifts. All your failures are gifts. Remember that. These are the gifts you can pass on to people. That what you have gone through, others. I have done OKR certificate. I keep learning every year. I do new courses. And how many of you know about OKR? To do that, I have about 5 books I'll give to Mr. Swaminathan and give you two gifts. I've written a book on this specific measurable result. This is a system used by Google in 1999 from 40 employees to 1,40,000. So all the multinationals use this to achieve big ambitious results in 90 days. Here the entire organization is aligned with the goals. From the smallest person at the bottom of the pyramid to the top person. That's the beauty of OKR. Read about it, it's a life changing. Since SBI is a wonderful organization. By the way, मैंने भी कॉलेज के बाद एक बैंक का एग्जाम दिया, यूनाइटेड बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. I failed that exam. अगर पास हो गया होता तो शायद मैं भी आज ऑडियंस करता. When you have a proper balanced life, you learn how to balance your work and your life. So when you have a better work-life balance, even your bottom line is better. Mr. Swaminathan, this is for you. So if the employees, what happened burnout? You are less focused. काम में मन नहीं लगता, you are distracted. That doesn't mean चलता है, but instead of doing something and completing something, you are after perfection and delaying things kills that speed. How many of you exercise and meditate? Okay, beautiful. A lot of people. I'll give you a 3-minute exercise which will give you 1 hour benefit. Interested? Dr. Mercola's nitric oxide dump. You can do 3 minutes in your room, hotel room, wherever you are. This little exercise. But I don't have time. I'm very, very busy. This 3-minute exercise gives you benefit of 1 hour of doing. Yes, I would like to repeat. 3 minutes of this exercise gives you 1 hour of exercise. ये पहला सुख निरोगी काया. How many of you heard that? So health is most important part, more than anything else in life. This was. Now I'm going to give you the slide. Anybody diabetic here? Type 2. You want to reverse it in 90 days? Follow this slide. So 12 hours of fasting. Everybody note down. If you have your dinner at 8 p.m., have your breakfast at 8 a.m. You can have millet, ज्वार, बाजरा, रागी, किसी का भी रोटी खाइए, बेसन में खाइए. ये चीजें टच मत. 90 days guaranteed. Your fasting sugar came down from 190 to 90. And my HbA1c came from 9 to 5.5, and I was able to get 5 crore term insurance at the age of 63 without any objection from any underwriter. Normally होता नहीं. My agent told me इस साल में एक भी पास नहीं हुआ because every 60-year-old dependent on comparison. So that's the power of having work-life balance. See, what happens in life is that I'm a Gallup certified coach. So there is a Gallup test. All US presidents go through that. You can go to Google GallupStrengthCenter.com and take this test. It gives you your 34 strengths. We all have 34 strengths. But on top 10 strengths you operate in. So what happens is that if you tell a fish to climb the tree, what happens? You're going to frustrate the fish and waste your time. This is what Gallup does, this strength test. You will know yourself that what are your top strengths to achieve anything like your goals. To work on your strengths and work on people's strengths, you'll be more productive, you'll be more happy because you're accomplishing that. Take 1 minute. On these cross, there are instructions also at the bottom of it. Put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And on each parameter, you can change here if you want. You know, family and friend, but these are essential part everybody needs in life. So rate yourself on each parameter. On your personal space, contribution, health, wealth, family and friends, playtime, relationships. And then connect the dots. So if your life is a round wheel, you are doing very good. But normally it's not. So it will be like somewhere here, somewhere here, somewhere here, somewhere here, somewhere here. And you will know which areas you need to work on, which areas you need to improve on. So do this exercise. We will not do right now because it takes 10-15 minutes and in the interest of time. Keep this with you and must do this exercise. You know how many lives you are touching. The more we go out and help people, make difference in their lives. This one's the guy. Anybody recognize this? His name is Alfred Nobel. He invented dynamite. तो एक दिन अखबार में इसका भाई मर गया था, गलती से छप गया कि मौत का मसीहा मर गया, डेथ, एंजल ऑफ डेथ. यार मेरे बारे में ऐसा लिखा. So he created this Nobel Prize and donated his entire work. Subconscious mind, we attract. जैसे मैंने बोला ना कि awesomeness glasses पहनेंगे attracted such awesome people today. The words of power. Now tell me one thing. आप अगर अपने काम की बुराई करने लगे, यार ये बैंक अच्छा नहीं है, मैं नहीं करता, तो होगा क्या कि slowly slowly आपको 100 रीजन मिलेंगे कि it will not work. Or for example, if I start saying, यार बूढ़ा हो गया, 63 साल हो गया, थोड़े से साल जीना है, क्या करेंगे अब यार? So what will happen? My subconscious mind will give order to my mind कि इसको अभी बूढ़ा करो, इसको बीमारी लगाओ, जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी. The words are powerful. Be very very careful what you say. My grandmother used to say कि बेटा सोच के बोला कर, दिन में एक बात सच हो जाती है, सरस्वती बैठ. We have in our family, whenever we say anything negative, we hit ourselves. ये मुंह से भी बात कर रहे हैं. You know, गाड़ी जैसे हैंड ब्रेक से चल नहीं सकती, वैसे ही इस तरह के बिलीफ, any kind of negative belief, and keep away from TV news and newspaper. My humble request to all. My only news is on the phone, Economic Times, and Sunday we watch movie. And our genre is romantic and comedy, nothing else. We don't watch horror movie or suspense thriller. That's my interaction with TV. Rest all is junk, negative, affects your subconscious mind. And जिंदगी में कहीं ना कहीं वो मुसीबत लाता है. He wrote $10 million check for himself. वो विजुअलाइज करते रहता था कि एक्टिंग सर्विसेज रेंडर्ड इसका चेक मैंने लिखा है. And less than 5 years when he got this movie, he got $10 million. There's a beautiful video in Oprah on YouTube. How many of you got vision board? There's an app you can download and get the pictures from Google. Make your vision board, and you'll attract things in your life. Like I have attracted health. I was always obese, 110 kilo, and now because of these vision boards, I attracted health in my life, and I'm one of the healthiest 63-year-old around. Roseto is a town in US. इटली से रोजेटो नाम के एक टाउन से एक बंदा आया. One guy came there and slowly started inviting more relatives and friends of there. Named that place Roseto. Now US authorities saw very little death rate and diseases there. And they were surprised. Roseto town में इतना कम death rate. So they went there and they were shocked. Because as per medical science, if you are overweight, you smoke, you drink, you eat sugar, you got to have all these diseases, cancer, cardio diseases and all those. But these people were doing everything. They were smoking not cigarette, they were smoking cigar. They were drinking wine, they were having sugar every day. They were all फिर भी 90 years, 100 years, 110 years they were. So there was one secret. They had a community living. आप लोगों को याद होगा हमारे टाइम में जब किसी के यहाँ शादी होती थी होटल नहीं बुक होते थे, याद है? तब हम पड़ोसियों से कमरे लेते थे. तो भाई एक रिश्तेदार क्या रह गया, क्या रह गया, फिर हलवाई आता था, फिर ड्यूटी लगती थी, ये सब्जी लाएगा, ये इसको देखेगा, ये इसको. और किसी की भी घर में तकलीफ होती थी पूरा मोहल्ला इकट्ठा हो जाता. That was the power. To have this beautiful support system at your work also and around your home also, which increases your life at least 14 years. We all have, Peter Drucker I think said, 95% of our fear never became true. And fear is a false evidence appearing real. Future में कुछ होने वाला उसका डर आज लगा. Now if I tell you raise your hand tomorrow, can you raise it today? नहीं ना. The fear is like that. 90% of our fears are very very false and futuristic. जो होना नहीं. उसके लिए डर के हम आज परेशान हैं. Wonderful exercise, life changing. बहुत लोग की लाइफ बदल गई. You want it? Yes or yes? This is called care factor. The relationship you two feel with employees, with spouses, with friends, confrontation. Yes? So I have invented a new word called carefrontation. So what is carefrontation? Now for example, one of my key employees coming late. And I start blaming, you come late because of this, work is something. Now he'll do a counterattack. There's so much of traffic these days. But when you have a carefrontation, so first you edify that person. Listen, Mr. So-and-so, dear so-and-so, I admire you for your this quality. I respect you for this. Say 2-3 nice, genuine compliments. So now वो सामने वाले का अटैक मोड कम हो गया. Now he started liking you and थोड़ा soft हुआ. And then say because of your this thing, organization is suffering. 99.9% of the person will not give any excuses. He will say, sir, future this will not happen. Yes or yes? Do this carefrontation before any relationship breaks. And you'll be able to not only strengthen those relationships and eliminate a lot of problems in the workplace to do this exercise and at home also. And the flow is everything is aligned. You are happy now, you have a future with it, you are fully engaged, you are fully focused. So when you have a beautiful work-life balance, you are enjoying your life, you are enjoying your work, you are enjoying your surroundings, you have beautiful relationship with co-workers, family, wife, everybody. You are in the state of flow. महाभारत में भगवान कृष्ण अर्जुन को बोलते हैं वक्त जिस काम को अगर शुरू किया उसको तुमने अंजाम नहीं किया वो काम दोबारा अंजाम कर दो. Don't leave things halfway. Always finish what you have started. Because if you want to be the best, get paid the best, have the best promotion, you have to work on your craft to be the best. Every masterwork is masterwork. कुछ भी आप शुरू करेंगे लाइफ में नया, शुरू में तो थोड़ी तकलीफ आएगी. But then you become a master. There's a book, Outlast, 10,000 hours if you give to anything. You become a master of it. This is roughly 3 to 5 years. Everybody needs a horse in life to achieve success. It's called horse race. Now, we had a Prime Minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh. How many of you agree that he could not have been Prime Minister unless he had support of Mrs. Sonia Gandhi? Because Sonia Gandhi became Prime Minister. Now you have a wonderful horse called State Bank of India. That's your horse. For SBI to have some product which makes it the best company in the world or India, you got to find that product. People marry rich woman, rich husband, that's partner, or go into business with a rich partner. Then there's a family horse, Mr. Mukesh Ambani is the example, riding the family horse. Now I want to give you one more exercise. That's about self-image. We all have, यार मैं मोटा हूँ, मैं गंजा हूँ, मैं पतला हूँ. And a lot of, especially, unfortunately, people have this kind of thing and keep saying in front of their children and employees or subordinates and have this negative image about themselves. I want to tell you a story. At the age of 40, when I was losing my hair, so क्या होता है कि वो टाइम में all the youngsters start calling you uncle. You don't like it. तो बहुत टेंशन हो रही थी यार, बाल जा रहे क्या करूँ. So वहाँ went to New York for a month. मैं एक हेयर वीविंग सैलून के पास गया. मैंने कहा यार कुछ बाल लगा दो यार. So I got a hair weaving done. तो मेरे जो इधर के बाल थे उसमें उन्होंने बाल लगा दिए. वो बहुत टाइट स्टिचिंग थी जो बहुत रहे. But I wanted to give her a surprise. And I lost also some 5 kg in a month. I खूब भागा पार्क. Now she's landed at the airport. Imagine the scene. मैं इसके पास से 5 बार निकल के गया. She was looking for a मोटा और गंजा. यहाँ पे बंदा बाल के साथ अपना पेट अंदर हुआ था और अंदर करके चल रहा हूँ मैं. तो she was pleasantly surprised. But फिर भी रात को 2-3 बार उठ के देख रही थी सही आदमी के साथ सोई हूँ नहीं. But the story didn't end here. सुबह मैं उठा तो मुझे खुद को देख के डर लग रहा है कि शीशे में बाल सारे मतलब क्वालिटी उस दिन उतने अच्छे नहीं थी. वो खड़े हो गए सारे जैसे सीन के जाए. तो I went to them, मेरे बाल अच्छे नहीं लग रहे, कुछ करो. और चुप भी बहुत रहा. तो they gave me a wig with a clip. अभी सीन दूसरा हुआ. रात को हम शादी में जा रहे हैं पार्टी में. और फिर वही बाल और चश्मा भी मैंने जो हीरो लोग काला लगाते रात को भी. मुझे समझ नहीं आज तक रात को भी काला चश्मा. तो हम चल रहे हैं. इधर एक वो उस जमाने में पेडेस्टर फैन होते थे. You can imagine what happened. और वो भी गिरा जाके एक लेडी के प्लेट में. तो उसके बाद एक बात ना, the learning here is ये समझ में आ गया your true personality is what you are inside. उसके बाद में फर्क नहीं पड़ा कि हम गंजे हैं या मोटे हैं कुछ भी हैं. आपकी पर्सनैलिटी इज योर वैल्यू सिस्टम, योर कैरेक्टर एंड व्हाट यू बिलीव इन, हाउ यू कंडक्ट योरसेल्फ. So this is a mirror exercise we live life with a lot of baggage. सबसे लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ मिस्टेक होती है and we keep cursing ourselves. यार वो पार्टनरशिप नहीं किया होता, वो बंदे से दोस्ती नहीं किया होता, वो बिजनेस नहीं शुरू किया होता, वो वाली जॉब नहीं की होती. होता है ना? We need to get rid of those baggage because we all are very very unique and we all have achieved some successes in life. सबने करी होगी. Yes. So this is a mirror exercise. Do it for 30 days to delete those bad files. Number 1. Congratulate yourself in the mirror. Presidential award, IPO, from 300 rupees job to a top exporter, from could not speak on a stage, now a speaker, 5 books. Congratulate yourself. हम सबके पास achievements हैं. Yes? We all have achievements. So congratulate yourself for your achievements. 5 things, major things. Next is forgive yourself for your 5 mistakes. That is the time you are deleting those files. तो कहीं ना कहीं एक baggage की तरह चल. And the last thing is 5 commitments. What you want to do going forward to achieve something better and bigger. Do this for 30 days and see your life change. लग रहा था इतने सीरियस क्यों है यार, थोड़ी ताली बजा दो ना. तो ताली जोर से बजती यार, ऐसे नहीं बजती. माना थक गए आप, सारे जॉब में लगे हुए हैं, अभी एनर्जी को लिव इन हाई एनर्जी एंड पॉजिटिव. घर में जैसे आते हैं ना, जेम्स बॉन्ड कैसे आता है? कभी जेम्स बॉन्ड को देखा है? यार बड़ा बुरा दिन गुजरा, बॉस भी बेकार, काम भी बेकार, और बीवी ने पूछा क्या खाओगे, बस शॉर्ट सर्किट हो गया. क्या बनाओगे? बनाती तो वही हो जो तुम्हें बनाना होता है. फिर रोड के पूछती हो, गुस्सा किसी का निकल किसी में रहा है. आज सारा दिन इतना बढ़िया कॉन्फ्रेंस, ओ भाई हस्बैंड बहुत अच्छा दिन गुजरा, बहुत लोग मिले, बढ़िया स्पीकर आया था सुरेश पंचरवानी, बहुत मजा आया. फिर अभी पार्टी भी है नीचे ना, वे पार्टी टू. आपका मूड बदल जाएगा, आपकी एनवायरनमेंट बदल जाएगी. योर चिल्ड्रन, योर वाइफ, योर हस्बैंड, योर सराउंडिंग, योर पेरेंट्स will be very very happy. Your body language can change your destiny. This is one of the most watched TED Talk by Annie Cottage. She's a psychologist, and she says if you have an open and positive body language of a winner, you will win more business, win more contracts, win more jobs, win more promotions. You go on with this. Tell me. Sure. So I would rent a dress, Santa dress, and I would dance like a Santa, practice on YouTube Santa dance, and give chocolates to the kids, and keep the child alive. Now I want that video. So we need to, everybody stand up please. अभी थोड़ा सा let's have a little fun. हम लोग पेरिस गए थे 2005 में. We ended up getting 5 crore worth of orders और 2.5 करोड़ रुपए हमको एडवांस मिला. Big moment, she made some wonderful designs और सब consignment was ready. And one evening we had a massive fire in our factory. सब कुछ जल गया. So police came, fire brigade came, DCP came, media came. अब घर पे we cried, but in front of people as a leader you don't cry. So you put up a very brave face. हमने कहा जो हो गया देखा जाएगा. 3 दिन में फैक्ट्री वापस चाहिए चलती है. So we called the insurance guy, he took the pictures and everything. He said, can we remove everything? He said, yeah. Electrician, rewire everything, whitewash everything. Send the pictures to the buyer, we need extension. आग लग गई, newspaper का report था. So they all worked overnight. And we could not do it in 3 days. But we did it in 5 days. Now the situation is, we ended up getting 100% insurance claim. Now you are a banker, you understand in the stock, we have some dead stock too, which after a few years we sell to the scrap dealer. But it has a book value. Because we always have 5-10% extra cloth, extra garments. That also we ended up getting 100%. And the second thing is buyers gave an extension, most of the buyers, and we ended up shipping also everything. So now think कि उस सिचुएशन में अगर हम नेगेटिविटी में जाते कि आग लग गया सब कुछ जल गया, guaranteed we could not have come out of the situation like this. So whatever happens in life, when you start thinking negative, your mind shuts down, your creativity goes down. You stop, दिमाग सोचना बंद कर देता है कुछ भी अच्छा. और ऐसा ही बहुत लोगों के साथ ये कोरोना टाइम, कोविड टाइम में हुआ. When they thought कि मुसीबत आ गई है, उनका दिमाग भी सोचना बंद कर दिया, उनके बिजनेस में. And when you are happy, you are more productive, you are a better father, you are a better husband, you are a better, maybe more money कहते हैं ना, बाहर जाते पैसा ज्यादा आता है. Attention, ये आती चलता है कुत्ते भौंकते, कभी देखा उसे पलट के भी नहीं. Don't care. So whoever people in your life who are negative is trying to pull you down, put you down, don't. I have got 100, if you go to my LinkedIn profile, 134 testimonies. The world's biggest and the best coach doesn't have that many testimonies. And this is a testimonial from an unknown person in Dubai I had. He needed my advice and I said, okay, call me. Now, how many of you write journal? Anybody write journal yet? Start writing. Few tips I learned from my memory coach. Every day night, spend 3-4 minutes, review the entire day in your mind like a flashback movie. So what happens is your memory becomes sharper because you are reviewing everything what happened. And write down bullet points, what has happened today. And 3 major learning as of today. आज अगर कुछ मेरे से सीखा तो वो लिखना. If you learn from somebody else, some book, some movie, from your own mistake, write down 3 learning. And then tomorrow's to-do list today, not next morning. 5 or 10 most important things. ज़्यादा नहीं लिखना. लोग to-do list इतना लंबा बना देते हैं. End of the day you are frustrated. You take work home and disturb everybody. Never take work home. Home is home, work is work. So write this journal, your to-do list for next day. In a year, 3 learnings every day, 365 days, how many learnings? You don't need any book to read. अपनी जिंदगी से बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिल जाएगा 5 साल. Write down every day in journals things you are grateful for. For your network, for your wife, for your health, for your bank. Always write, I'm grateful to experience. Now, this is a golden rule. In your surrounding, when you appreciate people, they repeat that behavior. Let's repeat that. आप किसी की भी अच्छे काम की तारीफ करो, आपका सबऑर्डिनेट हो, आपका सर्वेंट हो, आपकी वाइफ हो, आपका हस्बैंड हो, आपका बेटा हो, पड़ोसी. They'll say, yeah, they'll repeat that behavior more to you. Join Rotary, Lions Club. You help a lot of people and you make a lot of new friends. Your network is your network. Remember that. That's your social capital. We all have troubles in life. We all have problems in life. Whenever you have any problem, take a piece of paper, Make a small tree, write down problem. Make a bigger tree, that's me. And grow bigger than me. Always. There's a beautiful quote by Edmund Hillary. He failed 13 times climbing Mount Everest and he made this powerful statement. As a mountain, you cannot grow any bigger. As a human, I can. As a human, I can. Everybody say it with me. I am bigger than my problems. One more time. I am bigger than my problems. No matter what comes in your life, always grow bigger than you. इसको भी देख लेंगे. Connect with me on LinkedIn. Stay connected. I have over 400 videos on YouTube. I post one video every day. And thank you very much. I hope this 1 hour was value to you. It's been a great honor. Give yourself a standing ovation, please. Thank you.